Hello, today we will talk about Dogecoin and we will try to research why it's so popular. Let's go. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin, also Doge, is a peer-to-peer open source cryptocurrency. It's considered an altcoin and almost a sarcastic meme coin, launched in December 2013. Dogecoin has the image of Shiba Inu dog as its logo. While it was created seemingly as a joke, Dogecoin blockchain still has merit. Its underlying technology is derived from Litecoin. Notable features of Dogecoin, which use a script algorithm, are its low price and unlimited supply. Understanding Dogecoin. Dogecoin started as something of a joke, but after it was created, it gained a following. By late 2017, it was participating in the cryptocurrency bubble that sent the values of many coins up significantly. After the bubble burst in 2018, Dogecoin lost much of its value, but it still has a core of supporters who trade it and use it to talk for content on Twitter and Reddit. Users can buy and sell Dogecoin on digital currency exchanges. They can opt to store their Dogecoin on an exchange or in a Dogecoin wallet. A history of Dogecoin. In the beginning, Jackson Palmer, a product manager at the Sydney, Australia office of Adobe Inc., created Dogecoin in 2013 as a way to satirize the hype surrounding cryptocurrencies. Palmer has been described as a skeptic analytic observer of emerging technology, and his initial tweet about his new cryptocurrency venture were done tongue-in-cheek, but after getting positive feedback on social media, he bought the domain Dogecoin.com. Meanwhile, in Portland, Oregon, Billy Marcus, a software developer at IBM who wanted to create a digital currency, but had trouble promoting his efforts, discovered the Dogecoin buzz, and Marcus reached out to Palmer to get permission to build the software behind an actual Dogecoin. Palmer and Marcus launched the Dogecoin on December 6, 2013. 2 weeks later, on December 18, the value of Dogecoin jumped 300%, perhaps due to China forbidding its banks from investing in cryptocurrency. The rise of Dogecoin. Dogecoin marketed itself as a fun version of Bitcoin, with a Shiba Inu Japanese dog as its logo. Dogecoin casual presentation suited the mood of burgeoning crypto community. Its script technology and unlimited supply was an argument a faster, more adaptable, and consumer-friendly version of Bitcoin. Dogecoin is an influential coin, while cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are definitional, because there's a ceiling on the number of coins that will be created. Every 4 years, the amount of Bitcoin released into a calculation via mining rewards is halved, and its inflation rate is halved along with it until all coins are released. In January 2014, the Dogecoin community donated 27 billion Dogecoin worth to fund the Jamaican Bob's team trip to Sochi Winter Olympic Games. In March of that year, the Dogecoin community donated 11,000 worth of Dogecoin to build a well in Kenya and 55,000 of Dogecoin to sponsor NASCAR driver John Weiss. Controversy takes some fun from Dogecoin. The freewheeling fan of Dogecoin lost some of its money in 2015 as a crypto community in general started to grow more serious. The first sign that not all was well with the Dogecoin community was the departure of Jackson Palmer, who has said that a toxic community had grown up around the coin and the money it was producing. One member of that toxic community was Alex Green, also Ryan Kennedy, a British citizen who created a Dogecoin exchange called Mullah. Alex Green is his pseudonym, was known in the community as a lavish tipper who reportedly mistakenly gave 50,000 instead of 1,000 the NASCAR fundraiser. Green's exchange convinced member of community to donate large sums to help the creation of his exchange, but it later surfaced that he had used the donation to buy more than 1 million of Bitcoin that in turn bought him a lavish lifestyle. Separately, Kennedy was convicted in 2016 of multiple counts of rape and sentences to 11 years in prison. Dogecoin during and after the crypto bubble of 2017-2019. The Dogecoin followers purchased with the rest of crypto whales during the bubble that peaked at the end of 2017 and it fell with the rest of the cryptos over 2018. In the summer of 2019, Dogecoin saw another bump in value along with the rest of the crypto market. Dogecoin enthusiasts were happy when the crypto exchange Binance listed the coin, and many saw Tesla, Inc. So Elon Musk has endorsed the coin in a cryptic tweet. Dogecoin in the 2020. Dogecoin infrastructure has not been a central focus for the coin's developers with volunteers. One reason Dogecoin continues to operate and trade is activity community of miners. Musk has openly supported Dogecoin in 2021, tweeting in May that he was working with the coin's developer to improve transaction efficiently. Earlier in that year, the SpaceX founder even ran a poll on social media asking if Tesla should accept Dogecoin as a form of payment. In October, cinema chain AMC announced that it would accept Dogecoin for digital gift and pushes. By the end of the year, further adding agility to the meme-based cryptocurrency. As of October 8, 2021, Dogecoin market cap ranked for number 10 with a market capitalization of 31 billion, substantially higher than its years ago position of 48. How can we buy Bitcoin? We can purchase Bitcoin by establishing an account with one of many cryptocurrency exchanges. Some of the exchanges that support Dogecoin transaction include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Robinhood and traditional brokerage and enables crypto trades also supports Dogecoin. So, today we learned more about Dogecoin and getting more interesting information. Thank you for watching and goodbye.